Got a new daily 2021 XLT Sport F-150 302A. Scene spec, that's the 18. Lit FUD, FX4, 373 gears, all that good stuff. 5.0. Just these are a lot nicer. A lot more equipment, a lot more technology. Overall, pretty happy with it. Can't tune yet, so I'll do so for a while. Already have a catback. Just got here today. Has a PMAS intake out of the 18. That's supposed to fit this one too. So I'll swap those out probably here tomorrow or so, and we'll see how she does. Probably not much difference without tuning, but sure so sound better at least. Right now it's running. You can even tell it's on. It's so quiet, but we are about to fix that with the MBRP 4-inch catback exhaust. No resonator. I'll see if I like that. If not, I'll add another one. Not another one. I would add one to it. The 18 had a resonator on it, but you know, this one's gonna keep the cats for a little while, so I guess we'll make up for it. Has the Co-Pilot Assist 2.0. Pretty cool feature. The wireless Apple CarPlay. 800 miles on it. 600 miles away, so most of it was the trip back.